Hello, everyone. My name is Stephanie Rogers, and I'm an assistant professor of geography in the Department of Geosciences at Auburn University. My research and teaching are centered around the use and development of geographic information science and geospatial applications. Last fall, I created the GeoIdea Laboratory, which looks at geospatial innovation, development, and environmental applications. The goal of my research is to investigate emerging geospatial technologies to push the boundaries of efficiency in data collection and management through innovation and development. All this is done while analyzing data sets using cutting-edge analytical methodologies to solve real-world multidisciplinary problems. Most recently, I've been using unoccupied aerial systems, or drones, to produce high-resolution geographic information such as digital surface models, or DSMs, and aerial imagery. Drones have truly revolutionized geographic data collection and production, and part of my research is to investigate the differences among sensors and platforms to test the accuracy and effectiveness for using drones in research and more broadly in the field of geography. I have another ongoing project looking at the use of multispectral drones in mapping relative ages of sand blows at paleoliquefaction sites in the New Madrid seismic zone. This multidisciplinary project integrates both geospatial and geophysical methods for better understanding the characteristics of paleoliquefaction and prehistoric earthquakes. Another recent publication is the result of a truly collaborative project where we use spatial interpolation for visualizing the effects of bioremediation of groundwater arsenic contamination at a site in Florida. This was a very brief introduction to some of the ongoing research in my lab, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at the email address below. Thanks very much for your attention.